Hi, guys. Today, let's talk about something most people ignore until it's too late. What happens if you suddenly can't work for months or even years? You still have bills, right? Rent, groceries, car payments, insurance, maybe kids to feed. But if your income stops, how long could you keep up? That's why disability insurance exists. It's paycheck protection, plain and simple. If you get hurt or too sick to work, disability insurance replaces part of your income, usually 60% to 70%, and that money comes in every month, like a paycheck. It helps you stay in your home, keep food on the table, protect your savings, take care of your family. And here's the truth, it's not just freak accidents. Most long-term disabilities are caused by illness, like back problems, cancer, depression, or heart issues. 1 in 4 workers will face a disability before age 67. So if your income is important, protect it. You insure your car, you insure your phone. Isn't your income worth protecting even more? I'm David Wang. If you want to learn more about how this works and how much it costs, message me. Let's make sure your future is protected.